Hi, my name is Bhagirath Kaur and welcome to my channel. Hope you are very well. In this video, I will discuss the topic magnetic effect of electric current. You have already read the electric field where we deal the rest charge, positive and negative. Here we deal the moving charge. The charge is moving. This is the main concept of magnetic field. In another way, you can talk in electric current. So let's have a look. First, mind map. After you reading all the slide, then saw the mind map. It is very useful to remember all the details that is related to this chapter. Okay, what is magnet? The substance which have the property of attracting small piece of iron, nickel and cobalt called magnets. You already know this. And the property of attraction is called magnetism. Here, not only attraction but also repulsion. You already know that the repulsion is the main fundamental property than attraction because a magnet can attract iron, nickel, and also attract the another magnet. But a magnet can repel of only the another magnet. When you already know north and north pole, same repel concept, and opposite is the attraction concept. So the better choice for repulsion. What is magnetic force? Magnetic force refer to the two area of a magnet where the magnetic effect are strongest. The poles are generally termed as the north and south pole. You already know that the two sides of the bar magnet, north and south. Here in the magnetic field is very strength, or you can name the pole strength. What is magnetic field? The space around a magnet in which the force of attraction and repulsion due to the magnet can be detected. It's called magnetic field. After that, compass. You already know compass just like a small bar magnet. It deflected when we place it in the field of another magnet. Earth magnetism. You already know the earth has a magnetic field which we call earth magnetic field. The earth magnetic field is tilted slightly from the earth axis. You already know, just slightly. The core of the earth is filled with Fe, which gives earth its very own magnetic field. The region surrounding earth where its magnetic field is located is termed as magnetosphere. Magnetic field of lines. You already know electric field of lines where positive to negative, imaginary lines, positive to negative, the direction positive to negative. Here the same like concept, north pole to south pole, imaginary lines. Properties of magnetic field of lines. Properties, all the fields lines are close curve, close near. Suppose you take a magnet, the near the magnet the lines are close, but when you go through the far distance you saw that line will be a straight line because the pole strength almost decreases, the magnetic strength almost decreases. Outside the magnet field lines emerge from north pole and march at south pole. Inside a magnet, the direction of field lines is from south pole to its north pole. Very important point is field lines never intersect to each other. Remember this, field lines never intersect to each other. What is a magnetic effect of current? Electric field we deal with resistor, here we deal with moving charge or current. Electricity and magnetism are related phenomena where an electric current is placed through metallic conductor, it generates a magnetic field around it. You already know when, suppose first is a straight line. When a current is passing through a straight line, the magnetic field is produced around it. Here we use the rule right hand thumb rule. Straightforward, if you take your right hand and thumb in the direction of current, which direction current is flowing, direction of current, you just put your thumb and you cover it, you show the other finger showing the direction of magnetic field. Suppose you think the current is flowing, suppose the geographical concept, south to north. Current is flowing, you put your thumb south to north. The east direction, you saw that east direction magnetic field is enter and west direction magnetic field is going out. মানে downward and west direction is upward. You think that downward is east direction and west direction is upward. You can use in cross for downward direction and upward direction. You can use in dot. You saw some books. Here you remember just to remember this concept. Magnetic field due to a current throwing a circular loop. As with straight conductor, the magnetic field of lines would be in the form of concentric circle around every part of the periphery of the conductor. Just a straight wire, you just close it. You saw it becomes a circular loop. You saw when you far from the wire, you saw that the magnetic field lines almost straight towards the center of the circular loop. Magnetic field due to current through a coil having number of turns. You know that the magnetic field produced by current, a magnetic field is produced by current because it depends upon the current. If you increase the current, the magnetic field lines also increase, but strength also increases. If you take a one turn, that's okay. If you take n number of turns, the magnetic field strength also increase of n times. Have same direction. Okay. Solenoid. A solenoid have many circular turns in an insulated copper wire closely in the shape of cylindrical is called the solenoid. Magnetic effect of current carrying solenoid. A current carrying solenoid produces similar pattern of magnetic field as a bar magnet. One end of solenoid behaves as north pole and other end behaves as south pole. Magnetic field lines are parallel inside the solenoid like a bar magnet, which shows that magnetic field is same at all points inside the solenoid. Here you remember a formula equal to mu naught n I. N small n, here is the small n equal to n by L per unit length and number of turns. How you increase the strength of a solenoid? If you increase the number of strength per unit length and also current. Electromagnet, you already read this, it is related to the current. So temporary magnet, soft iron, etc. When a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, here you use magnetic field and a current carrying conductor, it experiences a force. You already saw this. The direction of force depends on the direction of current and direction of magnetic field. The direction of force can be using Fleming left hand rule. Fleming left hand rule. At first, you think the thumb, forefinger, and middle finger. Thumb, forefinger, and middle finger, they are stay mutually perpendicular to each other. At first, they are mutually perpendicular to each other. Then you think FBI, F for thumb, B for forefinger, and I for middle finger. Suppose take an example. Suppose you think the electron is moving in each direction. Suppose you think a electron is moving in each direction and magnetic field is acting downwards. Suppose you think. So I includes the term V. So your middle finger towards east and forefinger downward. So you see the your deflection in north. I think you can understand this. DC, when a current flowing in the same direction and do not change direction, main is do not change the direction. Whether it is high or low, can stay in one direction. High or low, up and down, this process is happening, but do not change in direction. Factors about AC and DC current. Most power station constructed these days produce AC. Main advantage of AC, it can be transmitted over a long distance without much loss of energy. Current AC included the frequency, you already know. If you frequency also increase, energy is increase in communication system, we already read this. Frequency increase, energy increase, so you can cover a large distance. Just the same like a concept. A galvanometer. A galvanometer is an instrument that can detect the presence of a current in a circuit. The pointer remains at zero current flowing through it, and it can deflect either to the left or right of the zero mark depending on the direction of current. Electric generators and electric motors. Electric generator mechanical energy into electrical energy. Here electrical energy into mechanical energy. Here the phenomena based on magnetic induction, based on moving coil galvanometer. When a closed coil is rotated rapidly in strong magnetic field, the magnetic flux through the coil changes continuously. Hence, an EMF of induced in the coil and current flow in the direction of Fleming left-hand rule. Here Fleming also, here a current is passed through a coil in a magnetic field. The coil experiences torque in the direction, given direction. The torque is a continuous rotatory motion in the coil in the magnetic field. Here we discuss the main term is electromagnetic induction, and here the main term is torque. Torque formula you can remember NIBA. N one number of turns, I is current, B the magnetic field, and A the cross sectional area. I will discuss later. At first, electromagnetic induction. What is induction? Electromagnetic induction is the production of induced current in a coil placed in a region where the magnetic field changes with time. The magnetic field may change due relative motion between the coil and the magnet placed near the coil. You remember, this is the main phenomena, relative motion. If the bar magnet is raised, your coil is moving. If your coil is moving, your bar magnet is raised, or both are in motion. Motion is very much necessary, because suppose you think that a bar magnet, a magnetic field of lines is created around this. When you moving a coil, you saw that some magnetic field of lines with its leakage through the coil, some magnetic field of lines will leakage through the coil. So when the magnetic flux of line leakages through the coil, it generates the current. You just think that current is generate magnetic field of lines. If magnetic field of lines is passing through the coil, it generates a current. Simply concept. So relative motion is very much necessary. Another point, if the coil is placed near the current carrying conductor, the magnetic field may change either due to change in current to the conductor or due to relative motion between the coil and conductor. Okay, here we use Fleming right hand rule, just same like of like in left hand road, here left, here is right. The same concept is here also. Electric generator, it is a device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Yeah, I already discussed about electromagnetic induction. Next, some basic difference AC generator and DC generator. All the topic details later in question. Okay, you saw some difference. In our domestic use in our house, here are some portion, type of current and potential difference and frequency. We already use AC electric current 220 volt with the frequency of 50 Hz in India. Live wire, you already saw the red insulated cover, insulation cover. You already know live wire is positive. Neutral wire, the wire with black insulation is called neutral wire or negative. In our country, the potential difference between live wire and neutral wire is 224. You already know live wire, neutral wire, and earth wire. Earth wire, it has green insulation and it is connected to a metallic body deep inside that. You already saw you nearly saw in your house. It is used as a safety measure to ensure that any leakage of current to the metallic body does not give any sharp shock to our user. Current is going through earth, so no problem can be occur in your house. Different circuit used in the home supply. Two separate circuit are used. 50 ampere current rating of appliance with high power rating, such air cooler etc. You already know power rating concept. Yes, here P, I, P, V, P, R, etc. Appliances circuit. Each appliance has a separate switch for each purpose, on and off, flowing of current through it. Each appliances have equal potential difference because you already know in your house all the circuit are designed in parallel combination, so that you in parallel combination the potential difference is constant but the current will be changed because you show that how much current is consumed when you use a fan and a light. So the current is different but potential difference is equal because it all the appliances are connected in the parallel. Electric fuse, you already saw this. A fuse in a circuit prevents the damage to the appliances and the circuit due to overloading. Electric fuse prevents the electric circuit and appliances from a possible damage by stopping the flow of unduly high electric current. When the high electric current passing through, it generates the heat. You already know heat is equal to I square RT. So a melting point, it melts and breaks the circuit. So the another device which is connected in your house are safety. Electric fuse current rating. Electric fuse current rating define the maximum value of safe current allowed to flow through fuse without melting it. Maximum current. Overloading. One switch, many number of appliances is connected. This is the overloading. Short circuit means you connect the two wire. Here the two wire is neutral wire and live wire. Earth wire already covered in earth, so it is not necessary to. Sometimes the live and neutral wires come into direct contact due to damage wiring. When it's happened, the resistance of the circuit become almost zero. A huge number of current is flowing. After that, I will discuss all the important question related to this topic. So read each and every question carefully and think, then give the answer. At first, number 1, magnetic field lines determine. Now, option 1, the shape of magnetic field, only the direction of magnetic field, only the relative strength of magnetic field, both direction and relative strength of magnetic field. You already know this. B is a vector quantity because upward, downward, deflection, etc. It is related to the direction, and magnetic induction you already need. So the relative motion. So both the direction and the relative strength of the magnetic field. A device for producing electric current is called a galvanometer. We measure ammeter also like that. Motor no, সুতরাং generator. At the time of short circuit, the current in a circuit vary continuously, reduce considerably, increase heavily, do not change. You already know this. When the short circuit, neutral and live wire to connect each other so that huge number of current is flowing, so that increases heavily. You saw A and B in the figure of two magnets. First option, both faces A and B, two bar magnet are north pole. You already saw this, the magnetic flux of line. Magnetic flux of line is going from north to south. So A north, B south. A होना जरूरी है. So all the options are not correct. None of the above. You read another question and you can understand this. Question number 8. Which of the following properties of a photon can change when it moves freely in a magnetic field? Mass will never change. Speed is a scalar quantity, so that is not necessary. Velocity and momentum, you just think about this. A photon, a charged particle is moving in a magnetic field. Suppose you think a charged particle is moving and it enters where the magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane. You think a charged particle is enter where the magnetic field is perpendicular to this field. You saw that the curve is circular. The charged particle moving in a circular way. In a circular way, you saw that the direction of velocity always changes. So you can use this formula F equal to Q V cross B. Here is the cross product. You already know A cross B equals to AB sin theta n cap, just like a concept here. Question number 9. The direction of the magnetic field at a point P above the wire carrying current as shown in the figure. You saw that direction of current, so you can use the thumb rule and you can calculate this. Here is also another question. You read the question carefully and you can do it. Question number 13. The most important safety device method used for protecting electrical appliances from short circuit or overloading is earthing. No. Use a stabilizer. No. Use a electric meter. No. Fuse. When suppose you think short circuit, current is flowing through very much. So when the current is flowing through, heat is generated. When heat is generated, fuse is cut. So it saves all the device. Fuse. Question number 14. Force acting on a stationary charge. Stationary means rest of a magnetic field B. When the magnetic field concept is coming, rest charge is not necessary. You deal with the moving charge, so it always gives 0. And read all the other question very carefully. You can do it. Question number 29. Why cannot two magnetic field lines ever intersect? Suppose you think When the magnetic two lines are intersect, you saw that if so, then at a point of intersection, there will be two different direction of the magnetic field, which is not possible. Suppose you think two magnetic field lines are intersect. You draw the tangent, one point two direction. It is never possible. So the magnetic field lines do not intersect to each other. Question number 29. Read all the questions. Let's start 2 marks question. Question number 1. State two properties of magnetic field of lines. Magnetic field of lines close continuous curve. In far distance, this is also a straight line. And as you like. Electric fuse I already discussed. Question number 9. State the factor on which the strength of magnetic field at a point due to current carrying conductor depends. State the factor on which the strength of magnetic field at a point due to current carrying conductor depends. I already say you increase the current. If you increase the current, magnetic field also increase. Magnetic field lines also increase. So the strength also increase. So B variables I. If you go through a long distance from your wire, you can show that the magnetic field of strength also decreases. So that B varies 1 by R. B equal to mu 0 by 2 pi 2I by R. This concept is coming from the Ampere circuit law. Close integral B by 2 dot dl equal to mu naught I. If you calculate, you get this result. Here close integral dl B dot dl B dl cos theta. Here 0 degree, so cos 1 B close integral dl equal to mu naught I. dl is a circular loop. dl more the circumference of the circular coil. So this is 2 pi r. Let's put, you get the result. B equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2 I by r. B varies I. By otherwise, you can just your concept you can do it. SI unit of magnetic field. Question number 11. This is Tesla. And read another question very carefully. Question 3-mark question. What is the function of earth wire? Why is it necessary to earth metallic casing of electric appliances? Earth will act as a safety device. You already know this. When a live wire touches the metallic appliances, then electric current flowing through castling to the earth instead of human body. Thus, we prevent overshape from getting shocked. It is necessary to earth metallic casing of the appliances because it saves the electrical appliances for burning or prevent us to electrical shock. Because overloading short circuit current is going through very much, so it is necessary and the excess current is going through the earth, so it is very from the shock, etc. What is solenoid? You already read, and I think you can understand this. Alternative current and direct current, the main thing is direction is changing, but direction does not change here. First question is current time graph for two different sources given in the figure. If you can show that in the first figure, this is the DC, and the second figure AC current. Here AC change in the direction, but you saw that in the first figure there is not change in direction in DC. Frequency, you already know 1 by T time period. Put the value and you can get the result. Just read. Explain the principle and construction and working of electric motor with the help of level diagram. It is very important question. You can write it very carefully, each and every step. First principle, it is based on the principle that a current carrying conductor placed perpendicular to the magnetic field experiences force. Suppose you think here is the magnet north pole, south pole. So north to south magnetic field of lines, north to south. Here you can saw that A B C D, a rectangular loop. A rectangular loop, here you use F equal to BIL sine theta. Remember this, F equal to BIL sine theta. Sine theta, it's give you maximum when perpendicular. Perpendicular, parallel gives you minimum. You saw that magnetic field of line north to south. So you can see BC and AD are parallel. Just remember, BC and AD is parallel to the magnetic field. So parallel, no force acting. You can see that AB and CD is perpendicular. So that force is acting. This phenomenon is working here. You all the details and read it. The main concept is this. Electric generator also like that. Just read it and do the question very carefully. Thank you.